you for watching Lango News channel.
No. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to raise an issue which is giving this country a very negative publicity. About a month ago, it is alleged that 2 Kenyan citizens came into this country, one by the name Njagi Bob and the other one is Oyo Nicholas. And they were reported missing from this country. There are contradictory accounts of how they went missing. On one account, it was alleged that they were apprehended by our security forces. The other account is that they simply just went missing, but they went missing within the territory of Uganda, and these are citizens of Kenya. There is a big uproar in Kenya, given the fact that we even have our own citizens here. Sam Mugumia, for example, who has gone missing for the last, I think, 2-3 months, and no one is coming out to explain. So my question is that a responsible way of running the state or running government, that your own citizens but also citizens from other countries come into the country and there is no explanation at all? I would have thought that the government would verify, first of all, to confirm whether those Kenyans actually came into the country, and confirm that they either crossed back or they got into the situation, whichever situation, from within. It is really bothering that so many Ugandans are missing, and it's becoming a norm for the state and government to just say, we don't know, they just got lost. I think particularly this one has to be explained, because it's likely to inflame the relationships between the two countries. And I think that the government should take this opportunity to inform the country not only about those 2 Kenyans, but also the whereabouts of some. It worries that one of us can just simply disappear. How about those ones who are probably not known? There was no one recording what is happening with them. I think it's an issue that bothers me a lot. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I received a call from the Minister of Internal Affairs that he was coming to the House. He requested that he would be there, but I don't know if government, I see the Minister of Information and National Guidance here, if he wants I write anything.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. And I also want to congratulate you upon being nominated and opposed as a member of the next parliament. Now, regarding the alleged 2 Kenyans who went missing, when this story came out, I received very many calls from international media, including BBC and many others. And as a Minister of Information, I cross-checked with security agencies, and none of the security agencies was in the knowledge of these 2 Kenyans, because the story was saying they entered into the country and they were moving with one of the presidential candidates, and they went missing. So maybe we should ask the Minister of Internal Affairs maybe to come and update Parliament. But when I checked with security agencies across the government, none of them was aware of, first of all, these Kenyans being in Uganda and where they were. But I think the right minister to give us an update is the Minister of Internal Affairs when he comes.
Sorry, I understand the acting LOP, Honorable Jonathan Odu, briefed the Minister for Internal Affairs. I requested him to do so. So, Honorable Minister, on the issue raised by Honorable Odu earlier on the missing Kenyans.
Right Honorable Speaker, yes indeed, the HT were Honorable Odu raised issues to do with the 2 Kenyan nationals, Nicholas Oyo and Bob Njagi, who allegedly disappeared, and also Mr. Sam Mugumia. I'd like to respond as follows. Indeed, over the 2 Kenyans, I have seen a communication from the Minister of Foreign Affairs prompted by the Kenyan High Commission regarding the alleged disappearance of their nationals, the said two, Bob Munjagi and Nicholas Oyo. And the Minister of Foreign Affairs communicated to Internal Affairs. We communicated to the police to verify and get back to us. We are yet to get an update, but also it has come to my mind that we need to verify further, because for one to be accountable for a citizen or for this matter a foreigner, we have to establish that they came to Uganda. So we need to widen our search even through immigration, and we shall do so and make a more informed position on the matter. On Sam Mugumia is a Ugandan, but he has the unfortunate precedent of having disappeared before and gone to Congo, where he was got on the wrong side of the law and spent a long time in incarceration. Indeed, we shall find out, going through the protocols of missing persons, whether his missing was reported, and if indeed he went back to Congo, we shall still inform the country. I thank you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.